Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is your teacher Varda here, and we are going to have a lot of fun together. So, first of all, I want to ask all of you that how you people are doing. Are you all fine? If you all are fine, then everyone give me a thumbs up like this, okay? So, if you're feeling fine, thumbs up, but if you're feeling down and sad, then a thumbs down. So show your teacher thumbs up if you're feeling fine or thumbs down if you're feeling sad. Okay? Okay, so now let's get to the point. Today, what we are going to do after this lesson, you people are expected to do to name the things in the environment. Next, you will be expected to describe and talk about the pictures, and finally begin to recognize the letters of the alphabet. And this is for your teacher. So this was for your teacher. These were the yellows. Now move to the lesson. Okay, before going to the lesson, I want all of you to get into the pairs like this you are watching on the screen. Okay, so you need to make group of twos. Okay, so your teacher is going to divide you into the group of twos. So you have only 1 minute to do it. Pause the video here and make the group. Okay, so I hope that you people are sitting in the groups. अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम एक आपको फोटो दिखाएंगे and you people need to watch that picture. Okay, आप लोग उस पिक्चर को बहुत गौर से देखेंगे and remember that you are sitting in the group. Okay, okay, now this is the picture in front of you. ठीक है, it's a colorful picture. इसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. What is your task? Your task is to watch the picture and find the things. मैं आपके सामने हाईलाइट करूंगी अब कुछ चीजों को. I'm going to highlight the animal with the yellow color. We have an insect as well. मैंने इसको yellow से highlight किया. Now I'm going to highlight the fruits with the blue color. And the objects with the black one. And okay, we have the object here as well. And now, finally, I'm going to highlight the man with the dark blue color. Or let's see, I can also take the red one. चलिए जी. Okay, अब आपके सामने इस पिक्चर में मैंने सब चीजों को हाईलाइट कर दिया है. Watch them very carefully because right after it आप लोगों को एक एक्टिविटी में उसको ढूंढना पड़ेगा. So watch them very carefully. Take a minute, pause the video here and observe the picture. Okay, so I hope that you people are done with the observation. आपने सारी चीजें गौर से देख ली होंगी. Once again, I am going to remember you that you people are sitting in the groups. अच्छा, now picture is done. What you need to do is, I want all of you to move to your library corner. Okay? So this is your library corner. You people are sitting in the groups. जल्दी से अपने लाइब्रेरी कॉर्नर की तरफ जाएं, लेकिन वहां जाके करना क्या है? वहां जाके you need to find out the flashcards. इस तरह के वहां पे कार्ड्स पड़े होंगे. You people need to find out the flashcards. किन चीजों के जो अभी हमने आपके सामने मैंने हाईलाइट की थी कुछ चीजें स्टोरी में जो पिक्चर हमने देखी, तो उस पिक्चर में जितनी चीजें हाईलाइट हुई थी उन सब के कार्ड्स लाइब्रेरी कॉर्नर में पड़े हुए हैं. जल्दी से वहां पे जाएं एंड फाइंड आउट एज मेनी कार्ड्स एज यू कैन. ठीक है, और जो जल्दी जल्दी से आ जाएगा और इसके बाद हम चेक करेंगे कि किसने करेक्ट और राइट कार्ड्स फाइंड आउट किए हैं. ठीक है, नाउ पॉज द वीडियो हियर, find out the cards. I'm also going to find that. Okay, so I hope that you people are done with the cards. एंड आप लोगों ने भी कार्ड्स फाइंड कर लिए, मैंने भी कर लिया. नाउ यू नीड टू मैच द कार्ड्स विद द कार्ड जो कि मैं अब शो करवाऊंगी आपको. ठीक है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ ट्री. सो फाइंड आउट द कार्ड्स. अपने जो आप लोगों के पास कार्ड्स पड़े हुए हैं, जरा अपने कार्ड्स फाइंड करें और चेक करें कि डू यू हैव अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ ट्री. इफ यस, then give yourself a thumbs up because you have found the right card. Next, okay, on the screen we have another picture. तो जल्दी से अपने कार्ड्स देखें कि अगर किसी को ant की पिक्चर मिली है. So if you have found the picture of an ant, then raise your hand, show it to your teacher and clap for yourself. Next, okay, this object. Look at this picture very carefully. Find it out from your card. अपना कार्ड चेक करेंगे क्या आप लोगों को लाइब्रेरी कॉर्नर से इस पिक्चर का कार्ड मिला था. If yes, then again give yourself a thumbs up because you have found the correct card. Okay, we have another picture of apple. I hope ये तो सबको मिल गया होगा. So give yourself again thumbs up. Now the picture of a man and an alligator. अच्छा जी. So I have the real picture of the alligator as well. लेकिन first of all you need to check your cards कि अगर आपको ये वाली picture अपने card में मिली है. अगर you have found the picture of an alligator, then clap for yourself first. And now I am going to show you the real alligator. Okay, look at the screen. This is the real alligator. आप लोगों ने इसको जूम में भी देखा होगा. With the big mouth. Okay, so this was the alligator. अच्छा जी. Now we have found the cards of the picture of the objects जो कि हमने अपनी पिक्चर में देखे थे. So if you people have found all the cards correctly या थोड़े से आपको सही सही मिले हैं, then still give yourself a thumbs up, clap for yourself because you have done a great job. लेकिन अगर किसी को कैप का कार्ड मिला है, शूज का कार्ड मिला है, then still वो भी ठीक है क्योंकि the man was wearing the shoes, he was having a cat hat on his head, तो वो बिल्कुल ठीक था. Now moving to the picture. Okay, now watch the picture again carefully. और अब हम लोगों ने किस चीज के कार्ड्स फाइंड किए थे? एप्पल के, एलिगेटर, a man, axe, ant. Okay? अच्छा जी. So we are done with that. Now it is the story time. Now put your cards aside. Okay? Focus your attention towards the screen because this is your listening time. I am going to tell you the story and the action will be on the screen. तो आप लोगों को बहुत गौर से स्टोरी सुननी होगी और स्क्रीन पे देखना होगा because right after that you people are going to retell the story. ठीक है. इसके बाद you people will be retell the story तो वो होगा आपका speaking time. Okay. Now focus on the screen because I am going to tell you the story. Are you ready? Okay. So right now you are watching the picture of an ant with the apple. So the story is one day an ant went into the woods to find some food. The ant was very hungry. While walking, she found an apple fallen on the ground. Here. Okay, and she said, "Oh my God, what a beautiful red, juicy apple." She said. She was very happy to find that apple, but suddenly she heard a loud noise, chop, chop, chop. As she lifted her head, she saw a man cutting the tree with an axe. His arms go up and whoosh, he chopped the tree. The ant became really sad to see this. You can see her sad. So she decided to stop all this, and she saw an alligator in the lake nearby and asked him to help. The alligator attacked the man, and he got so scared that he dropped his axe and ran away. After that, the ant and the alligator became really happy because they saved the apple tree. You can see them happy and excited as well. Acha ji, so this was the story and you see them happy as well. आपने देखा है वो कितने excited हैं? Why? Because they saved the apple tree. Okay, so we are done with the story. Ab, I want to ask you people that what was the lesson the ant gave to us? क्या बताया है ant ने हमें यहाँ पे? Why did she save the tree? And why did she was worried? Why did she ask the alligator for help to save the apple tree? Think for a minute and think about the ant as well कि उसने ऐसा क्यों किया, उसने save क्यों किया. Pause the video here for a minute and think. Okay, so I have got my answer. I hope that आप लोगों को भी पता चल गया होगा. So why did she save the tree? Because trees are life. We must not cut the trees क्योंकि trees की वजह से हमें fresh air मिलती है और इस fresh air को हम inhale और exhale करते हैं. Okay? So ये fresh air हमारे lungs के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है, हम लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है. So that is why we must not cut the tree. We grow the tree. We should grow the trees. And secondly, you people can also grow the trees by going back to the home और वहाँ जाके एक छोटा सा pot लें, उसके अंदर थोड़ी सी आप मिट्टी ले लें, उसके अंदर seed आप दबाएं, उसको रोज पानी दें, and then you will have a tree ultimately. So the lesson of the story was we must not cut the tree, we should save our environment. Moving on, I have a few things as well. So what did we learn in the story? हम लोगों ने आज कौन-कौन से objects पढ़े और उन objects के sound क्या थे? So listen very carefully. First of all, we learned the name of this insect, that is ant. Ant. Then alligator. Alligator. Then we have axe. Axe. And finally, apple. Apple. I'm going to repeat the sounds. Ant. Alligator. Axe. And apple. Did you notice that all of them are starting with the same sound? Okay, so remember this sound. Remember this sound, that is ant, apple, alligator, X. So this was a lesson. We are done. Now we are going to have a quick recap of the things that we have done today. First of all, what we did the story. So आप लोगों ने क्या करना है कि आप लोगों ने उस स्टोरी का जो जितने भी हमने स्टोरी पढ़ी, you people are going to retell the story to your teacher, and when you will be home, उसी को आप अपने पेरेंट्स को भी बताएंगे. Okay? So you people are going to retell the story, but in your own way, with your own ideas. If you have another idea कि जो ant थी वो किसी और से help ले लेती या ant कोई और idea लगाती ताकि वो उस tree को save कर सकती, so you people can think about that और उसको अपनी टीचर से शेयर कर सकते हैं. Now moving to the homework, you have the same homework to retell the story in your own way to your parents. Secondly, you people are also going to tell the words and the name of the things जो कि आज हमने पढ़े with the sound eh. So this was your homework for today. I hope that you people enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with another lesson and a few activities as well. Allah Hafiz.